the Macaulay's education, which took away our clarity about Advaita. The colonial mental setup, is our SDHD, self-doubt, hatred, denial. It is this colonial mental setup took away our Advaita from us, I tell you. First of all, we never had poverty till we have been swindled by all these invaders. Till 17th century, we were the richest country in the world. We never had poverty. The poverty was imposed on us to break our confidence. The artificial famines created by the British Empire, how they broke our backbone by creating artificial poverty. The Bengal famine was planned by British. Around 17 famines we had to go through, which was never part of our Vedic tradition. Only in the colonial periods, under the invaders, we went through 17 major famines, where millions were killed. It is just to break our confidence on our Vedic tradition, on our lifestyle, on our thinking pattern. I tell you, that is the way they inserted SDHD, self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial into us. They swindled the country. Ships and ships of gold from this country has been shipped out. And then they start the missionaries and charity, giving few pennies back to us in the name of missionary and charity, to take away our confidence from this great Sanatana Dharma, Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Many times people ask me, why do you wear this gold Rudraksha, gold throne? I want to tell you, it is not gold, it is gold painted. Second, I wanted to remind you guys the richness, the way the Vedic tradition lived, the richness we had in the Vedic tradition. Unfortunately, all the good things, auspicious things are attributed to the Western colonial lifestyle. The other day I was browsing through some of the photographs of the recent museum inaugurated in the Rashtrapati Bhavan in India. I was feeling so sad. All the best things we are showcasing is from the colonial era. Only the British things are gold coated, golden. Very unfortunate. The idea of best life is somehow associated with the people who ruled us, who made us slaves. Somehow the good life has become their lifestyle. The idea of good life has been branded as the British lifestyle. We forgot the good life of the Vedic tradition. Last 300 years, 17 famines. What will happen to a civilization? When we look back, you can only remember the 300 years. And you remember only poverty, poverty, poverty as the lifestyle of Vedic tradition. That is why the stupid word Hindu rate of growth has been developed. Please understand, our self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial has been created, injected, encouraged by the British by putting us into poverty, showing their lifestyle as a good lifestyle. And still we stupid fellows are practicing and believing the same. Practicing and believing the same. We should tell the world Vedic lifestyle, Vedic beliefs is good life. And that brand of good life, royal life, luxury life, best life should be again connected back to living Advaita, the non-dual consciousness. The people who live and practice non-duality does not need to be always with a begging bowl. We picked up the begging bowl voluntarily because that is the only way we can relate with you. We will have the opportunity to come to your doors, not to receive but to give. Mahadeva picked up the begging bowl not to beg from you. He doesn't need to eat anything, or he can eat anything. He doesn't need to eat anything, or he can eat anything. He did not pick up the begging bowl to receive something from you, to come to your doorsteps so that you see his grace, the grace he carries, and may follow living Advaita. In 1943, millions of people in Bengal starved to death by artificial famine created by British. This was the last effort to break our confidence that we won't be able to survive on our own without British ruling us. British government ordered the destruction of all boats and rice stocks in coastal Bengal. And it exported 70,000 tons of rice for the use of British troops and British civilians. More than 4 million people were made to die to break our confidence in the Vedic lifestyle. But the news was never left out because British authorities took the advantage of wartime censorship. See, wartime you have the power to stop the news. They took the advantage of the wartime censorship to keep this news quiet. I tell you, it's unfortunate. Even we started believing the reason for our poverty, our suffering, all the bad things is our lifestyle and our thinking style and the cognition given to us by the Advaitic tradition, which is completely wrong. Understand?